This is step 2 for the ESC throttle calibration. Once you've set the ESC either as a unidirectional or bidirectional ESC, go ahead and do a throttle calibration. It is also important to do a throttle calibration if you're changing your setup, transfer, anything like that, because the ESC needs to know the maximum and minimum throttle positions, and that varies ever so slightly between different setups. It should be pretty close and standard, but they do vary. So go ahead and have it plugged into your controller. In this case, I've got this little device here, does the exact same thing. We're going to put it in the maximum throttle position. And just to note, this ESC is set as bidirectional, but the process is going to be pretty similar for a unidirectional ESC. So put it in the full throttle position. After you hear one beep, we're going to put it in the minimum throttle position. Those 3 beeps confirmed that it has been set. Now we hear it rapidly beeping because it's entered into one of its protections. We don't want the ESC to, or the motor to spin up on us. So it's just beeping, letting us know that there's throttle applied. Now, if we move it to the the zero throttle position, which in this case, because it's bidirectional ESC, is going to be in the center. Now the ESC is ready to go. In your case, you're probably going to have, if it's bidirectional ESC, a trigger like this where it resets in the middle. So that's not going to be a problem. And if you have a unidirectional setup, you're probably going to have a transmitter that looks something like this, where the throttle can be pushed up and down, doesn't naturally reset. So in this case, this would be minimum throttle. In this case, this would be maximum throttle. At this point, I'll go ahead and show you that it works. So that spins that direction, and if I turn it the other way, it spins the other direction. And that is the process. Thanks for watching.